हे एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू वेल्थ एक्सेस। और अभी हमने नई सीरीज शुरू की है जो कि म्यूचुअल फंड के ऊपर है। पिछली बार हमने इक्विटी डेरिवेटिव्स और करेंसी डेरिवेटिव्स के ऊपर वीडियोस बनाए। बहुत से लोगों के अच्छे रिस्पॉन्स आए और उन्होंने रिक्वेस्ट की थी कि म्यूचुअल फंड के ऊपर, और कुछ लोग बोल रहे कि रिसर्च एनालिस्ट के ऊपर भी बनाइए वीडियो। तो देखते हैं, फिलहाल तो म्यूचुअल फंड के ऊपर बना दिया है। आगे देखते हैं, अगर हो सके तो बना देंगे रिसर्च एनालिस्ट के ऊपर। बस आप लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर कीजिए, क्योंकि हमें थोड़ा सा मोटिवेशन मिलता है उससे। बाकी आपकी मर्जी है यार, मैं फोर्स नहीं करूँगा आपको, ठीक है। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं म्यूचुअल फंड सीरीज की। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, अ म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर इज पेड कमीशन फॉर स्पेस as long as investor is held the investment. Question second, the guidelines issued by AMFI for intermediaries are known as space. AMFI guidelines and norms for intermediaries. Question 3. The investment in mutual fund portfolio valued at, answer is market value of portfolio. Exit loads are generally lower for large investors. Say true or false? This is false. Question 5th. Timestamping arrangement is must at space. And answer is offices declared as point of acceptance. यार बहुत से लोग ना एक मेरे से पूछते हैं कि क्या यही क्वेश्चन सेम क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आएंगे, सेम क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आएंगे। वैसे नहीं होता। आ सकते हैं, ऐसा भी है कि कुछ क्वेश्चंस आते हैं सेम इसी तरह से, लेकिन और क्या करते हैं ना कि वो घुमा फिरा के पूछते हैं, मतलब कंफ्यूज कर देते हैं अपने को। अगर इस ऐसे क्वेश्चन आएंगे, सेम एज इट इज आएंगे, तो फिर तो सब लोग क्रैक कर पाएंगे ना। कुछ इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं रहेगा फिर एग्जाम का। तो ऐसा आप मतलब क्या करिए, कंसेप्ट जो है, अपना वर्कबुक रहता है ना, तो उसमें से वो पूरा रीड करने का, उसमें से जो कंसेप्ट रहते हैं, हार्ड कंसेप्ट रहते हैं, वो बस क्लियर होने चाहिए। तब जाके आपको बहुत ईजी जाएगा एग्जाम के लिए। ठीक है, तो ये बात ध्यान में रखिए। चलिए आते हैं क्वेश्चंस के ऊपर। क्वेश्चन 6, सेबी हैज़ पुट अ स्टॉप ऑन चार्जिंग स्पेस टू द स्कीम। आंसर इज एंट्री लोड। क्वेश्चन 7, unaudited accounts of the scheme must be published space once every 6 months in national and regional newspaper. Question 8, capital gains or loss from mutual fund investment are classified as a short-term investment or if solid within space 12 months. Question 9, an investor invested rupees 1 lakh in a 370-day FMP and got rupees 1,07,750. What is capital gain in this case? 7,750 is the answer. इसमें ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया हुआ है, क्वेश्चंस विदाउट एक्सप्लेनेशन है। ओके। क्वेश्चन 10, which of the below statement is true? STT is payable when investor does redemption from equity mutual fund. ये डायरेक्टली आंसर दिए हुए मैंने, ठीक है। So question 11, liquid funds cannot charge management fees of funds parked in a short-term bank deposits. State true or false? The answer is true. That means this statement is true. Question 12, which of the following is not required for KYC norms? Proof of investments. This is not required for KYC norms. Okay. Question 13, which of the following document is not required to be submitted by a charitable trust to invest in mutual fund? The answer is board resolution and memorandum and article of association. Question 14, SIP is a good investment strategy because space it offers benefits of rupee cost averaging. Question 15, relaxation from documentation requirements for micro SIP is available for NRI, non-resident Indian. So here this explanation is given for this question. We'll move on to next question. That's 16. NRIs cannot make repartition investment in mutual fund using demand draft. True or false? This is false. The statement given here is false. Question 17. An investor plans to invest rupees 12,000 in a scheme whose NAV is 12 and FVE is 10. Here NAV is net asset value and F is face value. So how many units is he likely to be obtained? Answer is 1000. Question 18. Investors have the right to specify up to space nominees for their mutual fund investment folios. Answer is 3. They can add up to 3 nominees. Okay. So question 19. Which companies would fall in the category of a large cap as per the SEBI circular on categorization and rationalization of open-end mutual fund schemes? Answer is 1 to 100th company in terms of full market capitalization. Question 20. As per the AMFI code of ethics, an AMC has to disclose which amongst the following information to unit holders? Here's the answer. Portfolio turnover. Second is transaction purchase and sell of securities entered into with any of their associates. And the third is in simple language about the investment policies. Question 21st. Stock picking is also known as bottom up. It's asking about the analysis, okay? Stock picking is what kind of analysis? It's bottom up analysis. 22. Fundamental analysis entails review of the company's space. Answer is financial statements, quality of management, competitive position. Question 23. Minimum duration of an interval period is an interval scheme or plan is space 15 days. This is the minimum duration, 15 days. Next question 24. An investor likes to assume high returns. Which of the following funds would he prefer? And the answer is small cap fund. Next question 25th. If an investor wants to change his distributor, then he has to get NOC from his previous distributor. This is true or false? This is absolutely false, okay? This is really a basic question. 26. What is real rate of return? Return that the investor gets after adjusting inflation. Next question 27. Which of the following scheme categories would be considered the least risky in terms of credit risk? That is gilt fund. Question 28. AMFI has the powers with respect to registered ARN holding distributors to cancel registration. Next is impose penalties and issue issue notices. Question 29. Variance measures the fluctuation in periodic returns of scheme as compared to its own average return. This is true or false? So this statement is true. Next question 30. The approximate benchmark for a large cap equity fund. What is that? And that is Nifty index. This is the benchmark for large cap equity fund. Okay. Benchmark means like a Nifty index or Bank Nifty. Okay. So next question 31. Tax deduction at source TDS would be applicable on capital gains from mutual funds for which of the following investor category? That is NRIs. Next 32. Real estate value is driven or is dependent on economic scenario, infrastructure development, internet rates. Question 33. In event of delays in dispatching dividend warrants or redemption checks, the AMCs has to pay the unit holder interest at the rate of space per annum, 15% per annum. This is the rate. Question 34. इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस पढ़ पढ़ के यार थक जाता है. मतलब मैंने तो प्रोफेशनल यूट्यूबर नहीं हूँ, तो फिर भी मतलब कुछ तो भी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हेल्प हो जाए इसकी वजह से सिर्फ मैं ये सब रिकॉर्ड वगैरह करके मतलब जो भी क्वेश्चन है रिकॉर्ड करके यूट्यूब पर डाल देता हूँ. तो भाई प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा सपोर्ट किया कीजिएगा कि सपोर्ट के पैसे नहीं लगते यार. मतलब यूट्यूब पे तो नहीं लगते, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब के पैसे नहीं लगते. तो प्लीज़ भाई सब लोग उतना कर दीजिए मेरे लिए। और बहुत से लोग, many of the students are also from south side, so who don't know Hindi, okay? So I will try to speak in English as well as Hindi, both the languages. I will use both languages, okay? So thanks for all the peoples from south. They are really helping me a lot. I got the DMs from many students. They are thanking me for the videos, for the series I have made. It was really helpful for them. Also for from other states like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. So thanks for all the students. So let's get back to the questions. Question 34. Sector funds invest in a diverse range of sectors. This is true or false? And this one is false. 35th. Funds where the fund manager has the flexibility to choose the investment portfolio based on the investment objective of the scheme. That is active funds. This is called active funds, okay? Question 36. Which of the following is excluded while calculating recurring expenses of a scheme? The answer is penalties paid by AMC for infraction of law. Question 37. Every mutual fund trust has to be registered with SEBI. Who seeks this registration with SEBI? And the answer is sponsor. Sponsor seeks the registration with SEBI. 38. In ASBA, the amount is blocked in space investor's own account. Question 39. Which is the most appropriate measure of evaluation how closely an index fund is tracking its benchmark? Answer is tracking error. Question 40. If the investor with a long-term perspective feels that prices of gold will increase in future, then it's advisable to invest in gold ETF. I think this is the most safe investment done by the wives or mothers and sisters. Question 41. An investor who is in the accumulation phase of retirement planning has a portfolio concentrated towards bank fixed deposits. Which behavioral bias the investment is suffering from? Answer is familiarity bias. 42. Which of the following has high running expenses? Answer is active funds. Question 43. Money market mutual fund invest in securities that have a maturity period of less than or equal to 364 days. Question 44. Technical analysis tries to predict future movement of stock price by. The answer is the stock price movements of a company. 45. Is it compulsory to use fund distributors or intermediaries for investing mutual fund schemes? No. The investor may choose to go direct. 46. Who is responsible for overall investments of the fund? The answer is Chief Investment Officer. Question 47. A close-ended mutual fund has a fixed. The answer is fund size. Close-ended mutual fund has a fixed fund size. Question 48. The maximum load that a fund can charge is determined by the SEBI. The answer is SEBI. Next question 49. The amount required to buy 100 units of a scheme having an entry load to 1.5% and NAV of rupees 20 is. The answer is rupees 2030. 2030. 50. A gilt fund is a special type of fund that invests in government securities only. So this was the series. This was the video of 50 questions. We have completed all the 50 questions. So in the next video, I'll be making another 50 questions. So in this type, 10 videos will be there on mutual fund. I will try to make many more videos, but 10 are fixed. Okay. So please guys, like, share and subscribe. It's free. And thank you for all the support. Thanks for each and everything. Okay. So see you in the next video. Okay. Till that, bye. Take care.